Thank you for tuning in to LockeyUSA videos. This video will demonstrate how to install the Sumo GL2 gate lock. You will need to follow the Sumo instruction document as you watch this video. To download the Sumo instructions, please go to www.LockeyUSA.com/Sumo. The Sumo mounts on left and right hand gates. The Sumo mounting bracket A must be mounted on the pull side of the gate. The lockout feature works on outswing gates. If your gate is an inswing gate, you may want to switch hinges to allow the pull side of the gate to be the exterior. The Sumo mounting brackets must mount flat on the fence and gate post. Step 11A. To change the lock combination, review the How to Change Code instructions on the last page of the Sumo instruction document. To watch an instructional video on how to change the code, visit www.LockeyUSA.com/Sumo. Your lock should now work. Test your lock by pressing the C button, followed by your combination. Your lock should now open and retract the latch. Be sure to check both sides to make sure your lock is working properly before installing the strike assembly. For more information, visit www.LockeyUSA.com/sumo or call 888-395-0163.